Hi guys, and you all are welcome to my channel. My name is Pavitra Shetty. If you haven't watched my videos yet, and if you're coming across my video pehli baar, so do not forget to subscribe to my channel. So today's vlog is about reviewing one of the sunscreen that I use, and मैंने आज prawn सूखा भी बनाया था, तो I thought why not to share this video with you guys. So if in case you like this and if you're watching it till this video ends, do not forget to give me a like, share and also subscribe to my channel. And the people who have already subscribed, thank you so much. So let's get started. So basically for the start मैं बताने वाली हूँ कि मेरा sunscreen, the sunscreen that I prefer using, and ये जो सनस्क्रीन है मैंने ऑलमोस्ट इट्स बीन फॉर 1.5 years बैक एंड आई एम नॉट चेंज्ड इट, एंड दैट वाज माई फर्स्ट व्हाट डू यू से फर्स्ट सनस्क्रीन दैट एवर केम टू मी. नो सॉरी, द सेकेंड सनस्क्रीन. एक तो मेरे स्किन स्पेशलिस्ट ने स्पेसिफाई किया था, बट आई जस्ट रैंडमली यूज्ड इट फॉर अ फ्यू डेज एंड आई स्टॉप्ड इट. आई डिडंट फाइंड इट दैट गुड ऑन टू माई स्किन, तो मैंने स्किप किया. और ये जो सनस्क्रीन है आई एम बीन यूजिंग इट फॉर क्वाइट अ वाइल. इट्स बीन 1.5 years now. So if in case अगर आप मुझे पूछोगे कि what is my skin type or kind of is it dry or oily, it is too oily. The face, मेरे चेहरे में इतना तेल निकलता है कि तेल की भी ज़रूरत नहीं होती है. It's so freaking oily. Like I don't even have to put any kind of thing onto it. It's so freaking oily. So let's just get started with the product that I use. It's only one product and I'll show you the differences also. I got this one from original place like Nike or anything. Not original, like let me just show it to you what it is. So this is how the name of this product is Biotic. I have talked about this product in my beauty care. This is how it looks, and yeah, the cost I think it's 300 के अंदर 290, and yeah. So this is this long and I've been using this from last October और ये अभी तक चल रहा है. Like it hasn't got over. It's still there and it's literally a lot. I think it would be till here, and I use it only once in a day. I don't use it twice or thrice because already my face is oily and this gives me the enough thing that I needed. And plus ये moisturizer है, so I don't have to invest again any amount onto it. And this is completely herbal. If you want to ask the SPF, it's 30 and I'm good with it. I don't prefer using much points of SPF because I just feel the 30 plus is more than enough for me. But if in case you are being suggested या आपको किसी ने बोला recommend किया, तो you can go for it. But for me I think this is very good. And if you are just like me, a normal routine girl who doesn't want to apply much onto her face, this is one of the best thing. And any gender people can wear it. Like कोई भी लड़का लड़की कोई भी ये डाल सकता है इसमें, nothing like that. And it is also specified it goes for normal to oily skin. So but this actually fits to my skin like amazing. The only difference, like I don't know if this color can be captured. This I got it from Nykaa, and on the other shop also I've got it once, so I don't recollect. It was from Beauty Shop only, but then this looks like an orange. But few months back I got it from other beauty shop. So इसका, if you see the difference, it looks like a biscuit color, and this one is like typical orange. But I don't feel any differences. This is also Biotic and this is also the Biotic. But the page, the way it is being detailed, that is different. But I'm fine with it. So अगर आप beauty shop में जाओगे और लोगे ना, तो it would be somewhat like this. It would look something like this, I think, और क्योंकि मुझे ऐसे ही मिला था. But if in case you're taking from Nike or anything like that, it would come somewhat like this. But there is no difference. I've used it. It doesn't harm anything. It doesn't make your skin get damaged anything. Or yeah, and plus you get 10% off, and as well as in Nike at times you get a lot of percent off for it. So basically this is how it is, and it's very dilute. It's very mild. It smells amazing, and yeah, I told you it's 30 plus SPF, UVA and UVB, and it suits all skin type, and this is freaking good. This is how the bottle look like. If you want, I'll just flash the picture too for you for both the products. So yeah, that's it for sunscreen. So now let me just show you. I even made one व्हाट डू यू से, मैंने एक आटा हलवा भी बनाया था बट मैंने उसका वीडियो नहीं बनाया, बट आई कैन जस्ट पॉप इन सम पिक्चर्स हियर हाउ इट लुक्ड एंड आई जस्ट फेल्ट कि मुझे वो शेयर करना चाहिए क्योंकि वो बहुत ही अच्छा बना है. The first day it didn't taste that good, like it was fine, but on the second day it was tasting so good. Now we'll just go back to the prawn curry. If you're non-vegetarian, if you like it eating it just like me, let me just show it to you. Let's get started.
So here is the prawns and ये है ऑनियन जिसे मैंने चॉप किया है, टमाटोज, लहसुन एंड अदरक का पेस्ट. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. फॉर द स्टार्ट हमने कढ़ाई रख दिया है और इसमें हमने अभी तेल डाल दिया है एंड नाउ इट्स टाइम टू पुट सम ऑनियंस एंड हमें इसे फ्राई करना है टिल इट गेट्स प्रॉपर्ली ब्राउन. सो या ये शायद 3 या 4 ऑनियंस है ऑल टुगेदर. नाउ विल ऐड सम लहसुन टू इट, ये भी आप डाल सकते हैं. एंड अब हमें इसे फ्राई करना है टिल इट गेट्स प्रॉपर्ली ब्राउन. तो अभी हियर वी गो. सो मैं थोड़ा इसे सेक रही हूँ इन बिटवीन टू गेट अ प्रॉपर ब्राउन कलर. तो ये कुछ इस तरह से दिखेगा एंड नाउ यू कैन पुट द थिंग्स लाइक जिंजर, जो मैंने पेस्ट आपको पहले दिखाया था. सो नाउ दिस इज जिंजर दैट आई पुट एंड नाउ आई एम गोना पुट दिस टमाटो and just give it a, and now we can also add on some masalas. तो मैं थोड़ा सा इसको ऐसे रख रही हूँ ताकि वो टोमेटो अच्छे से ऑब्जर्व हो जाए. and yeah, just patiently waiting for some minute. and now it's time to put some turmeric. तो ये रहा हल्दी, अब मैंने उसको एक मिक्स कर दिया है. Now it's time to put on some masalas. मसाला को आप अपने हिसाब से you can add on or make it more or make it less as per your thing. We like it to be spicy, so we added some spice a little more. This is how it looks. Now we are adding some chicken powder which has been made by my mother. You can put it any market ka chicken powder. We have added 2 spoons of chicken powder and we'll also add 2 spoons of chili powder. It's not that spicy, but yeah, for us we like a little bit on the spicier end. So 2 spoons of chili powder. Next is, so ये ऐसे लग रहा है लाल लाल, but it's not that spicy at all. Now it's time to add some little pepper. Now this is completely optional. If you want to add you can. अगर आपको ऐड नहीं करना है तो ये पेपर को आप स्किप कर सकते हो. अब हम लोग इसे एक नाइस मिक्स देंगे for all masalas. And now it's time to add this prawns that we have kept it aside. So yeah, so we added it. Now we'll mix this also properly. And now it's time to put spoon. I put spoon around 1 tablespoon. आप इसे बाद में देख सकते हैं. Like if you need more you can add on. If you need less you can make the quantity less. Now we have given this a nice mix. And yeah, now it's time to add on some water. I put it around I think 1 bati of water. And then you can see अगर आपको ग्रेवी कुछ ज़्यादा चाहिए, if you're making any kind of a gravy, अभी यहाँ पे मैंने थोड़ा सा और डाल दिया. तो राइस के लिए you can add on a gravy, but this is we are eating it with the roti, so that's how we would be doing it. अब इसे हमें बॉयल होने रखना है around 15 minutes. So meet you after that. So finally this is how it turned up to be after 15 minutes. And now you can add the coriander just for. So this is how it looks. And इसे आप इस तरह से रोटी के साथ you can have it. We had added egg also in this. So enjoy this dish.
So that's it. Like that's how amazing it looked like. I had it with roti, and you can have it any ways you want it. You can have it with rice, or if you wanted you can add more water and make it like a gravy, and you would still like it. It's amazing. And the chicken powder, if you ask me, मेरी mom ने तो वो घर पे ही बनाया. You can get it randomly from any store. That's it. And yeah, I hope you like it. और अगर आपको मेरा ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो please do not hesitate to give me a like, share, and also subscribe to my channel. And do let me know if you tried out any of this sunscreen, or you have tried out making this dish. And if you like it, like I always say, give me a like, share, and also subscribe. Love you guys. Take care. Bye.